Hi, my name is Haley Jackson. I'm the College and Career Counselor at Dickinson High School. I'm giving y'all a tutorial on how to request official transcripts in Naviance, how to get to Naviance, then the types of transcript requests you might need to make in that system. Know that is for official transcripts. If you do need an unofficial transcript, you can get those in Skyward by going to the portfolio section. So to get to the Naviance site, there's several ways to get there. So on the main Dickinson ISD page, I can go to our campus, Dickinson High School. And on the quick links on the left-hand side, we do have the link to Naviance Family Connections. That's one way to get there. So also on the Dickinson ISD page, there is the option to go to the Symbaloo page, the Symbaloo icons. Know that if you are logged into your Google account, when you hit the home button on your Chrome Google account, then it is going to take you to the Symbaloo page. That is the home page. Okay, on the Symbaloo page, our Naviance link is right here. So light blue, right under the search area. Okay, so when I click on Naviance Student, it's going to take me to our login screen. So I am logged out of my Google account, or I have it paused right now so I can show you what it looks like when you're logging in without being in your account. So I do have to choose my zip code of our school, so 77539. And then I have to pick our campus, Dickinson High School. And then when I get to this screen, this may look a little different than it's looked in the past if you've logged into Naviance before, because we have moved over to your login being the same login as your Google account. And so when I hit login, what it's going to ask me for is my Google account login. So in this case, I'm signed out of all my accounts, but I do want to go ahead and sign in to my apps account, which is where my Naviance account is. And once I log into that, it's going to route me to my home screen for Naviance. Okay, I do have the instructions on how to do official transcript requests over here on the left, but I'll walk you through the process step by step here. So the first one I'm going to show you is how to do requests for college applications. Okay, there's a couple times that I might need to request a transcript for a college application. One of them is to do it initially for my admissions. Another is to do a mid-year, because they might want to see how I did after first semester, and then my final after graduation. So I'll show you all three of those options. So under colleges, you're going to go to colleges I'm applying to. And your college has to be in your applying to list to be able to request a transcript. So in this case, if I already have a transcript or a college in my list, then I could click on that school and then click the light blue request transcript button to then request a transcript I haven't already done for that campus. If I need to add a totally new college that I'm applying to, then I'm going to click the big pink plus sign and add that school. So in this case, I'll go ahead and add Sam Houston. And I can select what type of application I am submitting, the decision timeline that I'm working on. That's just for your reference. Just realize that whenever you're adding applications here, you are not actually applying to the school. This is just a management area for you to keep track of the applications that you're working on through whatever application site you're using. In most cases for public schools in Texas, that's going to be Apply Texas. Okay, in this case for Sam Houston State University, I really don't want to ever request a transcript unless I've submitted an application to them so that they have a document of me trying to apply. So when they get my transcript, they have something to attach it to. So say I've already submitted my application, and then I can say add and request transcript, and that will add the application and request the transcript all together. So when I click on that, it's going to give me the type of transcript I want to send. So initial means that I want it to go right now. I'm applying to the school. They need it to make my admission decision, so I need them to have it as soon as possible. If you've already applied and you would like to send them a revised version after the first semester, then you would click on mid-year. Just know if you've never sent an initial, it's automatically going to check mark both of those boxes. The last option is to submit a final transcript. That means after graduation to prove that you graduated from high school so that you can actually register for classes. Okay, so in this case, I'm going to select an initial. Know that this part about additional materials, we do not send SAT or ACT scores. If you click any of these boxes, nothing is going to be sent for those. You can only send official SAT and ACT scores through those websites, sat.org and act.org. Okay, so I'm sending a transcript to Sam Houston University, an initial, and I'm going to request and finish. Once I add it, you'll see that it is requested here. And so that means that I've already requested a transcript to Sam Houston. It does document it here. Another place where you can see your transcript request, and actually the processing of it, is under Manage Transcripts. So when I click here, you'll see all the requests that I've made a request to Sam Houston State University, and that it is pending. Our transcript requests are processed on Thursdays. So that means until next Thursday, it will not have a mail date. But when it is processed, this will be counted date instead of pending. Okay, so that's how you do a official transcript request for a college application. There are different times where you may need an official transcript, not for a college application. So you may need it for a scholarship or NCAA, or you may just need a copy for yourself that somebody is requesting. So in that case, in this Manage Transcript areas, when I click on the plus sign here, I have the option to also click an other transcript request type. So when I click on that, it's going to give me the same options, initial, mid-year, and final. In this case, most of the time you're going to want to send the initial because you want it to go right now or you want to have it right now. And the transcript, and for this case, I'll say it's going to be for scholarship. Again, we don't do anything with SAT and ACT scores. I can put the date when it's due. And then because I want to come and get it from the front office, I want to pick it up. I'm going to put my name, and I'm going to just say pick up in other notes. I am not going to put anything in the address lines because if I do, that means the registrar is going to mail it. So this tells her that she needs to put it in the front office for pickup. And so again, those get processed on Thursdays. So as soon as we have that Thursday passed, and that following day, it should be available for pickup in the front office. Okay, so I say request and finish. And you'll see that I have that request made right here and that it has not been processed yet. Okay, there will be a date when it is processed and left in the front office here. It doesn't mean that it's mailed. It means that it is waiting for you. Okay, so that is how we do official transcript requests in Naviance. If you do have any questions, please reach out to myself at hjackson@dickinsonisd.org or our registrar, Ms. Cook, at lcook@dickinsonisd.org. Thank you.